Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to change lock screen on Windows 11 in simple steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Windows Start button on the taskbar. This opens the Start menu where you can access system options and apps. Step 2. Click Settings from the Start menu. The Settings app lets you control and customize your PC. Step 3. Click Personalization on the left panel. This section manages background themes and lock screen settings. Step 4. Click Lock Screen from the right side. This is the screen you see before signing in. Step 5. Click the Personalize Your Lock Screen drop-down. Here you choose how the lock screen background appears. Step 6. Select Windows Spotlight, Picture or Slideshow. Spotlight shows automatic images, Picture sets one image, and Slideshow rotates multiple photos. Step 7. If you choose Picture, click Browse and select your image. It will instantly set as your lock screen. Step 8. If you choose Slideshow, click Add an album and select a folder with photos. Windows will automatically display them one by one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.